setup here today. My cord ain't in the way of the camera there. Got my GoPro looking at me. Got my phone looking forward. Usually my GoPro is doing the forward view, and my phone is looking at me. It might not be worth a damn, but we're gonna try it and see it, just to change it up a little bit. Headed over here in Lea Lake, Texas. Just hauled one load of caliche dirt over to Esteline to that pad job we were working on over there where I dropped off that scraper the other day. We're having to load ourselves with the excavator. I thought I'd make a little, this video, I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. Well, I say short and sweet. It might be about 30 minutes long, but I wanted to show y'all like a first person view of loading the truck with the excavator. Now, I'm no expert. I'm no excavator operator. I've ran them here and there a little bit. We've talked about it before. So I think this will be the third time I've loaded myself with this machine. And the first time I loaded it the other day was the first time I've been on an excavator loading anything in like, what did I say, 10, 11 years. So pretty rusty. But anyway, you'll get a, I don't know, might get a little cool view. Something different for the channel anyway. Something I ain't done yet. Instead of watching the machine from far away, put you in the machine and see if I can get a good view of it and how we're doing. So it's Friday, TGIF. I don't think we're doing anything tomorrow. If we're not doing anything tomorrow work-wise, I got some work to do at home. I'm going to be putting some tin up and painting my patio. Try to get that accomplished this weekend. That's in my game plan, unless Miss 806 got something else for me, something else in line for me. So that's what I'm looking at doing anyway. So hell, we're gonna ride in here. I'm almost there. Hell, I guess I'll talk to y'all going in. Just got back from Mississippi yesterday. Had a good run out there. Got a video of that one too. I haven't finished editing it yet. This one might come out before it because this one being shorter and with a long duration filming won't require near as much editing. So you actually might see this one before you see the Mississippi run video. Going through the graveyard here. Going through the graveyard with this old Pete right here to my left. Old flatbed. That could be a pretty cool truck right there. If somebody was to fix it up. I'd take that bed off of it, put a fifth wheel on it. It's already stretched out. That could be a badass looking little truck. Put a little 36-inch sleeper on it. It's probably got a big Cam Cummins or a B model CAT in it. Looks like Jerry's loading. I didn't see Adam, but I come in a different way. I took the shortcut in here. Truck frame right there too, just the frame. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I like coming through these little places like this and walking around and seeing what you can find. There's usually all kinds of cool stuff in these little old places. Looking at these old OBS, old body style Chevys over here, I need a back bumper for mine. And I'd like to get a hitch, a receiver hitch. Every one of these are like had the 3/4 ton style bumper on them, no big bulky bumper. I just want the regular chrome smoothie, and then put the receiver hitch below it. Get on up this hill right here. Getting loaded. Looks like he's almost there. He's got a little pile sticking up already. I'll get out and get everything set up. We can get some footage on loading up the trailer. Right here, right quick. I'm gonna take off the front facing camera and leave y'all on me. I gotta do my logbook right quick. Gotta use my phone to do my log. Y'all have seen it in a couple of my videos. We are on duty night driving. Take y'all down from here right quick. Here on the window. Old Jerry, he loading that truck up. Loading that truck up. Whoa. That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to edit that in the video. Y'all are upside down. There you go. That's more like it. Old Jerry, he's a little slow on that thing, but he's real careful. Me, I'm a little faster on it, but I ain't so careful. I messed up my, I hit my tarp roller the other day and bent the hell out of it. I gotta fix it. Gotta get the torch after it, heat it up, and bend it back into shape. I hit a board on his trailer when I was loading him the other day. I kind of drugged my feet getting back over here. I thought he'd be done by the time I got here, but it's all right. We ain't in no hurry. We're getting paid by the hour. That'd probably be about his last scoop right there anyway. So it worked out about right. Needs to load that one toward the front of the trailer. You can't see it though. Down there on that machine, you can't really see what's in your trailer. You can only see what little bit of dirt's sticking up. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off here, and next time y'all see me, we'll be inside that machine loading my trailer up here. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, let's see how this is gonna work. I think you can see pretty good there. Kinda got us a deep hole dug here already. Looks like they're kinda working around. I'll probably try to start taking some of this off to our left out here. Get her loaded. Let's get her done. all there is to it. Got her loaded up. Got a little bit of dirt on the back there, but by the time I get out to the highway, it'll be gone. I'm gonna pull up here and roll my tarp. We'll head down the road. I'm gonna put y'all on a little bit of a time lapse. We got about 45 miles to go. About 45 miles to go to where we're going to unload at. And I'll put a time lapse. That'll be about a minute and a half time lapse getting over there. So yeah, we'll catch y'all here in a minute. Short and sweet. Time lapse took about 2 minutes instead of a minute and a half. I had to stop and give me something to eat. Miss 806 and baby 806 and 806 daughters, I guess you would say. Brought me some, got me some Subway. Met there on the side of the road. Man, this road's rough going down in here. Met me on the side of the road there and brought me some food. So stop for a second. I don't know if I can see him right or not, but it looks like there's a train going to be blocking us down here where we can't get in. He's stopped. Yeah. So, guess I'll be sitting here for a little bit probably. Getting paid by the hour, y'all. Paid by the hour. Older by the minute and poorer by the day. So, well, I guess there's some trains here. I'll probably cut you off right here, and then I'll pick y'all back up once he gets moving, and we get across the crossing there. Could be a while. Could be a while. which way he's eating. Can't see the end of it that way. See the end of it to my left, so he should be headed south to our right here. Anyway, hell, I'll catch y'all here in a minute. He gets out of the way. Might be a while for me, but it'll be a blink of an eye for y'all. Alright, y'all, I just put the GoPro under there. Train is rolling. Got the GoPro under there. Y'all can see me dump. See me dump, see me dump. But you can see this road we're going down once we get over here. This little cow trail. What we call here in Texas a cow trail. Just got two, you know, it ain't a real road. It's just got two lines going down it where your tires go down it.
Sit here another hour going on the way, and I go home.
Ain't close, wasn't it?
Yep.
Got my uncle and Jerry behind me. I was gonna leave the GoPro facing forward right here and let y'all see this road a little better. But they're behind me and they'll be waiting on me when I get up here to dump, so I didn't want to stop before I dump, move everything around, reposition, all that good stuff. So we're just gonna do it like this, y'all. It's alright. Got out and tried to wind my torque on my trailer. The handle broke off. Whose fault's that? Mr. 806 driver. Hitting that trailer the other day with that excavator.
Why not $32 just for a thermostat?
$32 for a thermostat. Damn it, boy. Kinda high. Sure it wasn't a 4-pack?
We said thermostat, $32. Is that housing? He said, no, that's just thermostat.
Man, that's kind of high.
Yep.
Uncle put a radiator in his Tahoe the other day. After he put it in, he said it was getting hot. He thinks it's a thermostat. I think it's just got air in it. But
Well, you got 6 loads of that dirt yesterday, didn't you?
I thought you got 7.
I thought I just got 5, and I knew you did one more than I did, but I wasn't sure.
lay all these in side by side, or is Kirby and them back there behind us?
Yeah, they're back there.
Yeah, I guess when we get back, I want us to start working on that compressor on your truck. You won't pull it in one end. I'm gonna pull this trailer in one. My winder from my tarp finally broke off. I need to get in there and get the torch and straighten all that out. Put it back together. I can do that while you're disassembling, then we'll pull it down and throw it back together.
Yeah, Brent said he didn't need us out here, so we could go and work on that air conditioner or whatever.
If that works for you, that works for me. Turn this little Tootsie Pop up. I like blow pops better. Got the bubble gum on the inside. He's got the Tootsie Roll with him. Here I was telling y'all the other day, you gotta stay away from sugar, right? You on that keto diet. Sonic. America's car hop stop.
I asked about that third truck going over the road. He said, no, not as of right now.
That Sonic Cup, it got an unsweet tea in it, so that's allowed on the keto diet. Put my power divider in, lock it in. And we hopefully don't get stuck. Made it through. I done one load here this morning before lunch, and I made it through no problem. See how this one goes. There's that old scraper. Y'all might be able to see that through that. I don't know, a lot of dust back there. Like that GoPro ain't filming very good in that dust. Acting like my rear end just popped. It just popped out of gear or the rear end popped. You taking it out? Huh? You taking it out? Here we go. Uh-oh. We got home good. He gonna have to get the dozer and give me a push.
Anybody there to push you? Or they go push you?
No, they're here. I made it through on the last one, didn't make it this time. We're about to go now, though. Sand there that wasn't there last time, I guess.
So y'all ain't going in?
Well, it's real sandy when you come up to that band down. It wasn't that sandy there this morning.
So we all three going in, is what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. That's what it is. Got my rear end, yo. Got my rear end. I just unlocked my differential. My power divider. The truck won't go nowhere. Imagine that. And I got my rear end.
Oh, damn it.
When I was right there about where you are, come over that little hump. I had that power divider locked in. I heard it pop. I got on in there and unloaded. And I just now came out here and turned the power divider off. It won't go nowhere with the power divider on.
Flama.
Well, guess what kind of video y'all gonna get here before long? How to change out a rear end power divider. That old sand is hard. It's hard on these trucks. Hard on these old trucks. Really don't know which one I got, the big front or the rear. Your very back drive axle, and this thing needs to stay up out of the way for a minute here. Get about tied up. There we go. Yeah, your very back rear end, the one closest to the ass end of the truck, that's the one that drives your truck normally. You lock your power divider in, it kicks in that front one. So. Assuming it might be which the front one can cause it to do the same thing, so I'm gonna have to jack it up, put it on jack stands to see what's up with it.
That's me, all quiet. Have a good trip, buddy. Be safe.
See, we're driving right through the pasture right here, yo. Well, I know I said I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet. I think it's gonna run a little longer than what I thought it would, but anyway, we're gonna sign off here. Get across these railroad tracks. Get back to the yard. I got work on the air conditioner on Jerry's truck, and I gotta fix this tarp. Excuse me, this tarp winder on this trailer I'm pulling here. No trains, no trains. So, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, thanks for subscribing. If you've been here with us for a while, welcome back. And until next time, be sure to follow us on all our social media platforms. They'll be down in the link description below, as well as some of my buddies' channels. Check them all out. For 806 driver, B&B trucking, keep the shiny side up and the hammer down. We'll catch you next time.